Like that.
She's getting her new hoverboard. Well, she's riding it, basically.
She is riding.
I'm not showing my face because I'm showing her.
Elena, stop. Ava, stop.
I just want you to balance.
No, you're weighing me down.
It's beautiful.
What is going on with the world?
I'm spinning. I'm scared.
At least don't go too fast, because then you may kill yourself. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm still wearing this. Forget about that. Back to her.
Go on.
And she fell.
Wow, surprising.
Oh,
Time to get back on.
are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh, good. Give me my helmet. Stop it. Give me my helmet. Behind the scenes. Magical transformation. Ava, stop. Ava, I'm going to ride my hoverboard. Ava, you're not old enough for a hoverboard.
That's why you're getting a small bike.
I don't. Mom's not buying one. What's
Jojo has like five bikes.
what is going on with the world?
Behind the scenes, still getting her helmet on.
Shut up.
She always says her face is too ugly to be seen, but then she had the idea of this video.
I'm not trying to show my face. I'm trying to show off on the hoverboard.
But you're riding it, so it's basically showing your face as well.
No. No, it's not.
Oh God! Stay away from her. Where's Tony?
You've also made TikToks. Go check out Glitter Dog.
No.
Yeah, go check out
Galaxy Cat 012.
Yeah.
Wobble,
Girl,
wobble, wobble.
I'm just kidding.
And also,
Somebody wants the waves, man.
Check out from bottom to top.
It's awesome.
All right.
What is going
Bye.
the way?